trades on the day for the stock index portfolio. We are trading the signal strength trader from the portfolio money management algorithms. It was down today, hit its stop loss. Market was trending higher. There was a net long position of four trades right here from the stock index portfolio 34. Took the long trade. Market immediately reversed. Bonds sold off at about this time. So big drop in bonds. Interest rates moving higher. Market sold off, got choppy in here, tried to bounce, made a V reversal, and now it's trying to bounce here. And so tough day to trade this type of market environment. We're still trying to sync up with the strategies in the market in this unusual time period. Minus 1525 today on the stock index portfolio. So we're still up about plus 1500 on the month from some earlier trades. And so we're keeping our risks small right now during this time period of uncertainty, and also trying to sync up with the portfolios. Let's look at the portfolios today. And here you can see a little brief, this money management algorithm dashboard from our portfolio money management algorithms gives you the quickest view of how this works and what is happening today in all the strategies. You can see it's down about 12K in the old stock index portfolio 34 that we're not trading right now. It was down. It was down on Tuesday, up about 300 yesterday. It was down most of the day, then it popped up about plus 300 yesterday. Now it's down about 12K today, and it's hard to trade a market environment like this. And the market continues to try to move higher and prop up any sell-offs or V reversal any sell-offs. And so the bond market, we'll look at that in a minute. Actually, we'll go ahead and look at that right now. So the bonds, you can see bonds right here. They've been moving higher since, I guess, last Friday. There's the idea of flight to quality during wartime. And so the bonds have bounced, but reality has kicked in here and bonds have sold off. And stocks have tried to play that bounce. The bonds were oversold. Stocks were not oversold. A lot of talk last week about how stocks were oversold. Stocks have bounced more than bonds, and but bonds were the ones that were really oversold. And so the market is just trying to be very contrarian right here and move higher in the midst of very bearish fundamentals and lots of uncertainty. But we tried to take that long trade. I thought the market, it did look like a good trade initially, that the market could break out here to the upside just because fundamentally it shouldn't, but technically the market keeps trying to push higher. Lots of liquidity, just still wants to push this market higher no matter what. And it got caught up in the bond sell-off today. And so down on the day on this setup, money management algorithm indicators show that the other portfolios minus 12K and the stock index portfolio, typically very hard to trade a market that's up and then sells off and then bounces like this. And so let's look at our individual strategies. So EVP1, you can see how it caught that short trade a little bit, trailing stop loss got out, and eventually these markets will trend a little better. They keep trying to bounce back and always assume that they should go higher. Tick reversal was long, then it was short, and then OPV was short, and then it bounced. Mag 7 got long, and it reversed. Momentum reversal tried to take the long trade. Market reversed. Multiple reversals today. Let's look at the stock index portfolio 21. And Cobra 3's got short in here. Those were all stopped out. Now we're waiting for this portfolio to go through a drawdown. And today we have a little bit of a drawdown going on in this portfolio. Hypothetically speaking, we're not taking these trades, but you can see which strategies. Minus 625, minus 625, minus 51250, minus 51250, plus 975 on DTM4. Tick wave is plus 1300. Cobra CT3 down 825. Momentum reversal minus 1087.50. Stopped down the first trade, got back in. Chop 2 news. Stopped out again. minus 15, 12.50. It's long again actually. So stopped out twice, re-entered on the third try, and so let's look at the S&P 34 strategies, the old S&P portfolio strategies. Tick Pulse, first trade stopped out, second trade in, and then Tick Wave taking the short trade. Just a very resilient market. It shouldn't be. It's probably one of the times, in my opinion, where the market's is more resilient than it's ever been in a time period where it shouldn't be. But that's the contrarian nature of this market. And so we trade what is, we trade what's moving, and we took the long trade today. Got caught in the bond sell-off, so down on the day in the signal strength trader from our portfolio money management algorithms. These are the trades on the day for Thursday, October the 12th, 2023. One trading day left in this week. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.